Get ready to be amazed by the titans of industry as we dive into the world's top 30 construction, mining and farming machines. Witness 1,000 horsepower tractors, behemoth shovels weighing 15 tons, dozers reshaping landscapes, and trucks that haul unthinkable loads. Gear up as we unveil the giant, mechanical marvels that will leave you in awe. Kicking off our list is the all-new Class Zirion 12 tractor unveiled in July 2023. A model of efficiency, durability, and comfort, this tractor is built to tackle any job. Powered by a 15.6-liter Mercedes-Benz engine, it offers high performance, reaching an impressive 653 horsepower with 2,287 foot-pounds of torque. Need more hydraulic power? The Zirion delivers with up to 3 hydraulic pumps and 8 spool valves, providing a maximum of 140 gallons per minute, a figure unmatched in the four-wheel drive segment. The listing price for this tractor is expected to be around 650,000 Lieber. PR776 electronic. This massive bulldozer has an operating weight of 73.2 metric tons and is powered by a 12-cylinder diesel engine that generates a maximum of 757 horsepower. When in reverse, the PR776 is a blade capacity of up to 28.8 cubic yards, making it ideal for moving large quantities of material. The length of this monster is 34 feet 3 inches, which is equivalent to 2 full-size sedans. And its height to the top of the cab is 14 feet 3 inches. It is one of the most expensive bulldozers on the market, with a price tag that can reach over $700,000 for a used machine. This amphibious excavator, also known as a marsh buggy, is manufactured by Ultratex Machinery, one of the leading manufacturers based in Malaysia. The machine is built on a Komatsu PC210 upper structure, a mid-size 24-ton hydraulic excavator. It is powered by a 165 horsepower diesel engine and boasts a maximum digging depth of 35 feet. Equipped with 2 supplementary side pontoons and spuds, it provides additional stability in water up to 13 feet deep. This specific excavator is employed to remove aquatic vegetation from the Doriongkong Dam water catchment in Indonesia. The machine has sufficient power and traction to climb out of water easily, even on a steep slope. Komatsu 980E5. This massive yet fuel-efficient mining truck has proven its reliability in harsh conditions. It boasts a payload of 363 metric tons, or 400 short tons, equivalent to the weight of 57 adult African elephants. The vehicle is powered by a high-performance Komatsu diesel engine that delivers an output of 3,500 horsepower. With such power, it can achieve a top speed of 40 miles per hour. Its fuel tank can hold 1,400 gallons of diesel fuel. Given current gas prices, filling up this tank in the U.S. would cost about $6,500. The truck's total length is 51 feet 7 inches with a height of 26 feet 3 inches, comparable to stacking 2 double-decker buses. Its maximum body capacity is 27 cubic yards, roughly 17 times more than a standard dump truck can hold. Witness innovation in action with the Lieber, a 900-wheeled railroad excavator featuring the Arc Astra rail cropper. With a colossal 500-ton cutting force at the jaw's core, it's a rail cropping marvel. Safely snip rail lengths with finesse, handling diverse British rail types with ease. Whether upright or on its side, it slashes through prep time, boosting on-side efficiency. The Liebherr, a 900 and Astra rail cropper, redefine rail cutting, setting new benchmarks for power, precision, and productivity. Zemg XE7000 released in 2018. This machine still holds the title of the largest hydraulic excavator ever manufactured in China. It boasts an operating weight of 673 metric tons and is powered by 2 massive 50-liter Cummins diesel engines, delivering a combined output of 3,200 horsepower. With its shovel extended, the machine spans a total length of 77 feet, approximately 5 feet longer than a semi-truck. Coupled with its trailer, this machine's maximum shovel capacity is 36 cubic meters or 47 cubic yards, and it can reach a digging height of 61 feet. Valvo L350H, the biggest wheel loader, provided by one of the world's largest manufacturers of construction machines and heavy equipment, headquartered in Sweden, with an impressive bucket capacity of 8.12, 16.6 cubic yards, and an operating weight of up to 56.3 tons. This heavy-duty beast means business. Boasting a colossal 532 horsepower Volvo engine, it's a force to be reckoned with. One of Volvo's notable strengths lies in its durability. The enhanced durability of components is achieved thanks to breather filters that go the extra mile. while the center hinge's reinforced bearing proudly showcases an unwavering heavy-duty design. Released just a couple of months ago, the all-new Case Steiger 715 tractor is leading the 2024 Case IH lineup, with more power, speed, and a purposeful design. Boasting a 715 horsepower rated and a whopping 778 peak horsepower engine. And not only covers more ground in less time, but is also nimble enough for any challenge. While the focus is on power, it also brings greater efficiency with a new heavy-duty quad-track undercarriage, increased traction, better visibility, and improved roadability. A newly developed FPT industrial brand C16 twin-stage turbine engine and an increased fuel capacity of up to 520 gallons ensure more time in the field. The listing price for this tractor is expected to be around $1.05 million. John Deere 872G, crafted in Davenport, Iowa. This grader showcases a robust, 300 horsepower John Deere engine, effortlessly propelling its weighty 21.6-ton frame. With a 14-feet-long moldboard, it glides through the earth with ease. The advanced powertrain boasts 8 forward and 8 reverse gears, allowing for a top speed of 28 miles per hour, plus with an ample 110-gallon fuel tank. This grader won't be slowing down anytime soon. Liebhardt T284 Electronic. This new generation mining truck boasts the lightest empty vehicle weight in its class, significantly enhancing both its productivity and fuel efficiency. It has a maximum payload of 375 metric tons or 413 short tons, which is roughly equivalent to carrying nearly 3 Statues of Liberty. This vehicle can be powered either by the 83-liter Liebherr engine or by one of the 2 MTU engines, with the most powerful configuration reaching an output of 4,023 horsepower. The truck measures 51.5 feet in length, comparable to the sizes of Cat and Komatsu trucks. Its height stands at 25 feet 7 inches, roughly 5 feet taller than an average 2-story house. When paired with P&H 4800 XPC electric rope shovel, it takes just 3 passes to load the truck to capacity. Chantwi SD90C5. This large dozer is built by the Heavy Equipment manufacturer based in China. It has an operating weight of 106 metric tons, which is 6 tons more than the weight of the famous Cloudgate sculpture. In Chicago, it is powered by a 12-cylinder Cummins diesel engine that generates the maximum of 950 horsepower. The length of this monster is 37 feet 9 inches, which is about 2 times as long as a full-size pickup truck. And its height to the top of the cab is 15 feet 1 inches, which is equivalent to 1 adult giraffe. Its fuel tank holds 433 gallons of diesel fuel. With the current gas prices, it would cost almost $2,000 to fill up this tank in the U.S. Introducing the Komatsu PC360, a commanding 36-ton crawler excavator powered by a mighty 257 horsepower diesel engine and armed with Chemrox DMW cutter wheels. It's an absolute powerhouse. Dual high-torque hydraulic motors guarantee explosive production rates and the utmost cutting force. Even the toughest materials, including rock with a 120 MPa compressive strength and reinforced concrete, is no match. With a range of widths reaching 16 inches and customizable options, concrete cutting prowess gets a whole new definition. Number 5. ALA 78-250. Embrace the future of mining. With this large wheel loader from a major heavy equipment manufacturer in Belarus, with a colossal 15 cubic yard bucket capacity and the ability to handle up to 22 tons of payload, this powerhouse is in a league of its own. Filled by a formidable 1,050 horsepower Cummins engine and weighing 107.8 tons, it's engineered for unmatched performance. As part of the project called Intellectual Quarry, this wheel loader was tested in remote control mode. The operator was in a separate building 15 miles away and steered the machine while sitting at the control panel. Both the dump truck and the wheel loader were operated remotely and showed excellent teamwork and interaction. Originally released in 2011, this powerful EKG-35 still holds the title of the largest and most powerful mining shovel ever made in Russia. Only 3 units have been manufactured, with a hefty price tag of approximately $11.5 million. With an impressive operating weight of 1,230 metric tons, this beast has a nominal payload of 63 tons and a maximum dipper capacity of 40 cubic meters or 52.3 cubic yards. Its maximum cutting radius is 84 feet, while its cutting height reaches an impressive 63 feet. And if that wasn't impressive enough, the EKG-35 has a mind-blowing ability to move more than 3,700 tons of material per hour. Meet the giant New Holland T9 700. powered by an FPT 2-stage turbo engine. It has a rated power of 645 horsepower and a jaw-dropping peak power of 699 horsepower. It could pull up to 20,000 pounds, has a hitch lift capacity of 22,750 pounds, and a fuel tank capacity of 455 gallons. This model offers standard or high-flow pumps, with the optional mega flow pump delivering up to 113 gallons per minute for extremely high hydraulic demands. This machine's priced around $950,000. Komatsu PC 8000-11. This is the largest and most powerful mining excavator in the Japanese manufacturer's product range. It boasts an operating weight of 782 metric tons when equipped with a face shovel, and 790 tons with a backhoe bucket. The machine can be powered by either two Komatsu diesel engines, delivering a combined output of 4,020 horsepower, or by two electric motors, with a total output of 3,940 horsepower. The overall height of this machine stands at 32 feet 1 inch, while its undercarriage width varies between 27 feet 4 inches and 28 feet 8 inches. The fuel tank of this behemoth can hold 3,679 gallons of diesel fuel. Regardless of whether it's fitted with a shovel or backhoe configuration, this machine offers a standard bucket capacity of 42 cubic meters or 55 cubic yards, equivalent to the volume of 200 drums, each holding 55 gallons. XCMG XC9350 experience. The sheer power with this massive wheel loader from China, boasting a mighty 13 horsepower engine, a colossal 23.5 cubic yards bucket, and a 35-ton payload capacity. It's a titan ready to tackle any task. XMG's 35-year journeys culminated in this masterpiece, boasting a 3-meter single-tire diameter and record-breaking working load. Its electric drive control system pioneers fuel efficiency, saving over 20% compared to hydraulic counterparts. Independently reliable power and transmission systems make it a standout for mining in large-scale open-cast endeavors. Get ready to be amazed by the Link-Belt 240, teamed up with the AMI demolition grapple. This 32-ton excavator is a game-changer in the world of specialized applications. Whether it's handling scrap, demolishing structures, transferring waste, or prepping sites, it's a true all-star. Imagine a cab that soars to 18 feet with hydraulic finesse, guarding operators at the front lines, thanks to factory hydraulics and the AMI demolition grapple. It's a demolition dynamo. Concrete trembles as it's turned into powder, buildings surrender before its might, and rebar is meticulously separated from the chaos. CAT 24, the epitome of greater excellence. This extraordinary machine runs on a jaw-dropping 694 horsepower CAT engine, commanding attention with its substantial weight of 79 tons. Equipped with a 24-feet-long mold board, it glides through any surface effortlessly, while its rear-mounted ripper rips down to an impressive 18 inches. Its advanced powertrain, boasting 8 forward and 3 reverse gears, propels it to a top speed of 26 miles per hour, and with an ample 240-gallon fuel tank, this grader is primed for unstoppable performance. This marsh buggy is manufactured by Wilco Manufacturing, a leading producer of amphibious equipment. Based in Louisiana, U.S., the machine is built on a CAT 3 25CL upper structure, a mid-sized 28-ton hydraulic excavator. It's powered by a 188 horsepower diesel engine and boasts a massive 60-foot-long boom, enabling further reach with fewer repositions. This project was a Marsh Creation joint venture, sponsored by both the Coastal Protection and Restoration Authority and the United States Fish and Wildlife Service. The project took wetlands that had eroded away into open waters and brought them back to their original conditions, with a total of 478 acres being rejuvenated. The legendary Big Bud 747, also known as the 16V 747, is a giant farm tractor that was custom-made 46 years ago in Havre, Montana, with a ballasted weight of 135,000 pounds. It proudly holds the title of world's largest farm tractor. Beneath its colossal frame lies the heart of the beast, a massive Detroit V16 turbocharged diesel engine, a powerhouse generating an astounding 11 horsepower. When new Big Bud's 747 carried a price tag of around $300,000. Today we understand it could be worth anything from 3 to 6 times this figure. Coming up next, we have the impressive Komatsu P&H 4100 XP. This behemoth of an electric rope shovel was originally designed and manufactured by P&H Mining Equipment today. This power shovel boasts a maximum nominal payload of 108.9 metric tons and a maximum dipper capacity of 67.6 cubic meters or 88.4 cubic yards. To get the most out of this beast, you'll want to pair it with a 360-ton truck like the Komatsu 980. A used one with 92,000 hours of usage was sold at an auction in Alberta for $1.35 million ex-CMG GR 5505. This Chinese behemoth boasts an impressive 599 horsepower Perkins engine, propelling its gigantic 74-ton weight with ease. With a large 24-foot mold board, it effortlessly reshapes the ground beneath it. Its advanced powertrain, featuring 8 forward and 4 reverse gears, allows it to reach a top speed of 26.5 miles per hour. And with a massive 317-gallon fuel tank, this machine is fueled up for long-lasting productivity. The Caterpillar D11 is another giant bulldozer that's designed for the toughest of jobs. With a blade capacity of up to 98 cubic yards and an operating weight of 113.7 metric tons, this machine is not for the faint of heart. It is powered by a 12-cylinder engine that delivers a massive 957 horsepower. The D11 has a blade capacity of up to 98 cubic yards if equipped with the Cole Universal Blade. The length of this monster is 34 feet 6 inches, and its height to the top of the cab is 15 feet 6 inches. The Caterpillar D11 is one of the most expensive bulldozers on the market, with a price tag that can reach well over $1 million. XCMG XDE 440. This is the newest mining truck. Released in March 2022 by China's largest heavy equipment manufacturer, the XT440 boasts a load capacity of 400 metric tons, or 440 short tons, and stands nearly 3 stories high. The vehicle is powered by an MTU engine, which delivers a staggering 9,529 pounds of torque and has an output of 3,755 horsepower. Like its competitors, it can achieve a top speed of 40 miles per hour. Its fuel tank can hold 1,400 gallons of diesel. Given current fuel prices, it would cost approximately $5,400 to fill up this tank in the US. The truck's cabin is equipped with numerous features designed to enhance operator efficiency. Notably, it features 2 comfortable seats and 2 multi-information displays, complemented by a 360-degree camera system. The truck's maximum body capacity is 327 cubic yards, which is roughly 17 times more than what a standard dump truck can hold. Komatsu WE2350, formerly known as the Latino L2350. This earth-moving marvel not only holds the Guinness World Record for the biggest earth mover, but also redefines heavy-duty performance. With a mind-blowing operating weight ranging from 267 to 276 tons and a payload capacity of up to 72.5 tons, it's unmatched in strength. Its heart beats with either a 16-cylinder MTU, Detroit or Cummins engine, each boasting an astonishing 23 horsepower. This giant has a height of over 22 feet, which is equivalent to 5 cars stacked on top of each other. To own a piece of this earth-shifting marvel, be prepared to invest at least $1.5 million. One of its 13-foot tall tires alone would cost you $135,000, and with chains the price goes up to $265,000. This Cat 7495 electric shovel has a rich history. Initially built as the Bucyrus 495, after Caterpillar's acquisition, it was rebranded as the Cat 7495 and given Caterpillar's iconic yellow paint. The current version of the Cat 7495 is a true powerhouse, with an operating weight of 1,442 tons. When equipped with the Hydra crowd system, this machine boasts a dipper payload of 109 tons and a capacity of 62.7 cubic meters, or 82 cubic yards, with a dumping height of 28 feet 11 inches and a maximum cutting height of 53 feet 6 inches. It's a true giant in the world of electric rope shovels. A brand new unit of this shovel comes with a price tag of over $15 million. 6559 Jupiter. This cutting-edge, driverless dump truck is designed to work in remote mines. With its advanced self-driving technology, it eliminates the need for human presence in hazardous areas. The dump truck is powered by a Kama's inline 6-cylinder engine with a displacement of 11.9 liters. Combined with a hybrid drivetrain with regenerative braking, it can transport up to 30 tons of material with a maximum body capacity of 21.5 cubic meters or 28.1 cubic yards, and can be operated in fully autonomous or remotely operated modes. Prepare to be amazed as the Komatsu PC4000 mining shovel joins forces with the Genesis GXT2555, our mobile shear. In an awe-inspiring display of power and precision, the Komatsu PC4000 is a colossus, boasting an 1875 horsepower engine and a staggering 409-ton weight. But now, it is combined with the Genesis GXT mobile shear, meticulously designed for efficient steel processing and scrap and demolition, clocking in at 56,500 pounds. It's a master of versatility. Komatsu D475, engineered for exceptional production. The D475, a mining dozer, is designed for power, stability, and solid performance. It has an operating weight of 116 metric tons and is powered by a 12-cylinder Komatsu diesel engine that generates the maximum of 968 horsepower. With this much power, it's able to push 58.9 cubic yards in one pass. The length of this monster is 38 feet 9 inches, which is almost as long as a full-size school bus. And its height to the top of the cab is 15 inches. Komatsu WE1850. This beast of a wheel loaders, offered by one of the world's leading heavy equipment manufacturers headquartered in Japan. It's propelled by a 2,000 horsepower Cummins or MTU Detroit engine, showcasing true strength, with a standard payload of 54.4 tons in a jaw-dropping bucket capacity of up to 43 cubic yards. The WE1850 redefines productivity with independent wheel speed control at all 4 positions. This wheel loaders, a versatile gem for mining operations. DSR motors and generators not only guarantee reliability but are also incredibly efficient and maintenance-free. Komatsu D575, a superdozer. This is the largest and most powerful dozer in the world that is still in use. Although Komatsu has stopped its production a while ago, a few of these monsters are still being used around the world. Alcoa Mining Company, which is located in Western Australia, purchased 5 of these machines and used them to rip large areas where they couldn't blast due to the proximity to residential housing, and they were often operated by remote control. The D575A can move 90 cubic yards of material per pass using the standard blade. It can dig to a maximum depth of 6 feet 9 inches using its single shank ripper. It is powered by the 12-cylinder Komatsu diesel engine, which has an output of 1,150 horsepower. The fuel-efficient engine, together with the heavy machine weight, makes it a superior crawler dozer endorsing production. Woo!